Yeah, welcome to iCrypto platform. On today's video, we'll be talking about limit order and market order. Yeah, what is limit order? And limit order is a way of buying coin at your desired price. That is, if you want to buy a coin and let's say the coin is selling for 50 naira and you wish to buy it at 45 naira, then you use limit order to set your price that when the market comes down to 45, help me buy. That's what limit order is about. Why market order is buying at the current market price. That is, you go to the market now and the market is selling at 50 naira. You don't care, so you just use the market order and buy immediately. That is what market order and limit order is all about. Now let me show you example of limit order and market order. So just go to your down here, your spot trade, click on it. Yeah, you can see here we have, this is our buy zone. I'll be using XLM, that is Stellar coin, for an example. Yeah, I have available, but I have $13 here. Let me just use this as an example for you. Yeah, this is limit order. Let me change here to limit. Yeah, you can see we have limit right here, and that is limit. So now if I want to buy coin now at my desired price, let's say now this coin is currently selling at 0.2086 and I wish to buy the coin at 0.2. I want to buy the coin at 0.2. That is, there's always fluctuation in the market. The market goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. So I want to buy when the market comes down a little bit. So now I'll just input my price. Let me cancel just this. Yeah, I want to buy at 0.2. Then I want to use 100% of my capital. Click on 100%. Yeah, you can see I'll be getting 67 of this coin with my $13. So now let me click on buy. I'm clicking on buy. Success. Now just scroll down to your open orders. You will see the coin there. Why is it in open orders? Because you are using limit order to buy, because you want to buy at 0.2 while the market is currently selling at 0.2086. So now this open order will be here till the market comes down to my buy price. If the market take 2 days, 3 days, 1 year to hit my buy price, this open order will still be here unless I cancelled it. So this what that's disadvantage of using limit order. Limit order, you can use it to buy at your desired price, but if the market keeps going up and never comes down, you will never buy the coin. So that's it about limit order. You can see the open order is here. It will not disappear. It will still be here till the market comes down to my to my buy price, that is 0.2, but the market is still selling at 0.2087. That's it about limit order. Now let's talk about market order. As I told you, market order is buying at the current market price. That is, you don't care about the current market price. You just want to buy the coin. Just want to buy the coin and have it immediately. Then you use market order. Let me cancel this one first. Yeah, let me cancel it. Yeah, I've cancelled it successfully. Now, if you want to use market order, you just click on limit order here, right here. Click on limit. You can see we have limit, market, stop limit, and OCO. Yeah, so since you want to buy the current market price, just click on market. Click on market. Yeah, you can see now. See the page is purpose. There's no place to input your price. You can see just put market price. That means you want to buy at the current market price. No matter what the amount is selling, you are buying at the current market price. So you just click on your 100% on your the amount you want to use out of your capital. I'm clicking on 100% because I have just $13 available in my wallet. So now look at this. I'm clicking on 100%. Yeah, I'll be I can't know how much I'll be getting because there's no place to input my price. So now let me just click on buy at market order. You can see success. You can see nothing appears in my open order. That means I've successfully bought the coin immediately. My order has been triggered immediately. Now how do I know that I've bought the coin? Let me just go to my wallet. Click on wallet. Yeah, my sports trading, my sports wallet. You can see I've bought the coin. You can see, and I have XLM in my wallet. That's it about market order. Market order buys the market immediately. No matter the amount you are selling the market, the coin in the market, the current market price, that is what market order is all about. You just enter the market and buy it immediately. That's it about market order and limit order. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. And thank you. This will be our class for today. I hope you watch and again so that you can understand. Thank you.